guys, it's Sava from SOS Kitchen, and today we're making dolmades. These vegetarian stuffed grape leaves are way easier to make than you think, and they're one of my favorite Greek foods ever. They're stuffed with rice and herbs and cooked in a lemony broth that will make your mouth water. As always, the recipe will be in the description box below. To get started, we're going to use some plain long grain rice. In some recipes, you'll see people par-cook it before making these, but I find it works just as well with dry rice. To the rice, add some onion and a big handful of dill. Pour in some tomato sauce, crack in some black pepper, and squeeze in the juice of 1 big lemon. Mix up the rice until fully combined and then set it to the side. At the bottom of a big pot, either use some extra grape leaves or a cut piece of parchment paper to fit the bottom of the pot. I just wanted to show you the easiest way to cut it to size by folding it up and then measuring and cutting from the center of the pot. Put the parchment or extra grape leaves down on the bottom of the pot as a protective layer between your dolmades and the heat. Okay, now to roll the grape leaves. First thing you need to do before rolling them is rinse them in cold water if you're using the canned variety, which seems to be the easiest to find for me. They're packed in a really salty brine, so make sure you rinse them well. Put one down in front of you with where the stem used to be nearest to you. Place about a tablespoonful of the rice mixture down in a line, and then fold the sides of the leaves up over the rice. From the bottom, roll the leaf up over the rice until the leaf is closed, and then put it in the bottom of the pot, seam side down. That's really important to keep them closed. If a leaf is broken, you can always patch it up like I'm showing you here. Just make sure you don't overstuff them, otherwise your grape leaves will burst when they cook. Place all the dolmades in the pot, fit tightly together. You can make multiple layers if you're making a bigger batch. Cut up the lemon you squeezed earlier and place the rounds on top of your dolmades. Pour some olive oil over everything and then place a plate that fits in your pot on top of the dolmades to keep them held down and not floating while they cook. Then pour in some vegetable broth. Bring the liquid up to a simmer. Make sure it's not fully boiling, otherwise it'll break the grape leaves open. I actually decided I need a little bit more weight on top of the plate, so I put a couple of cans to help hold everything down. Simmer your dolmades for 30 to 35 minutes and then take them off the heat and discard the lemon rounds. You can eat these dolmades hot, warm, or cold. They're a little bit sturdier when they're cooler, but you can pull them out of the pot while they're still hot. They're delicious on their own and make a great appetizer or side dish for your next Mediterranean feast. Try them out today and share them with your friends and family at your next get-together. Please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen, and thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.